Hi everyone, just a quick video. I've got to make up some stud earrings for an order, so I thought I might as well make a short video and just show you what we do. Now the weight cabs here are flat on the back. These are made by, and you're probably familiar, by simply taking square pieces of glass and fusing them until they all pull in and make those little round cabs. We do them in a whole bunch of colours. We sell them on Etsy and we sell them on our own website. Now the process to make them is pretty straightforward. Once you've fused up the cabs, we grind the back of them and then we glue these posts to them. These are all sterling silver, by the way. Don't like using anything else but sterling silver. So I'll go and grind these up and then I'll glue them up and I'll show you the process of gluing them up as well. So this is my little setup for grinding the cabs. I do have a light over it so it looks a lot brighter, but I can't turn it on because it strobes something terrible. I'll just show you. Don't know why it does that, but anyway. So what I'm using here is a portable sink for camping. You can see it, get back here, it sort of collapses on the front, so it makes a nice, easy to get at front. And behind it I've got just something for the splash from the grinding. And over here is my flexible Dremel tool with a diamond bit on it. Okay, so this is the high-tech setup. I've ground all these, cleaned them with alcohol. I've also roughed up the back of the posts and cleaned them with alcohol. That was just done with sandpaper. And the other thing I've done is I've taken the ruler and put it over the top of that to make sure that all the cabs are nice and flat. This is for gluing up, so we'll use, in this case we use Araldite Ultra Clear, which you can get in Australia, don't know whether you can get anywhere else. And I'll just mix them up here and glue these up. I'm not going to show you that because I fumbled like you would believe. And then at the end I'll show you them finally glued up. There we are, they're all glued up. They'll take overnight to dry before we'll then ship them to our customer. By the way, that's plasticine under there, so it gives you a nice base to hold everything and make sure it's nice and level. Anyway, I hope that was of some use, especially if you do make jewellery and sell it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.